Investors are flooding back into the market. Hobart is home to happy sellers. Tasmania's economy continues to recover, and much more. This is all the important news affecting Tasmanian property this week. So let's begin. Domain says investors are flooding back into the market. Melissa Hagney reports new data from the ABS found the number of loan commitments for investors had jumped by 9.4% in January and 22.7% since this time last year. This is great news for sellers and renters, as there will be more people looking to buy and a greater number of rental properties coming on the market. However, it's not so great news for buyers who will have to bid against increased competition. In other news, a recent survey of over 50,000 people by Rate My Agent has found that Hobart had the second most satisfied sellers in all of Australia. Jared Bevan at the Mercury reports 67% of Hobart respondents said the sale price of their home exceeded their expectations. And while Hobart came in second in Australia, it was first in Tasmania, with Clarence coming in at second place, with 60% of respondents saying they were satisfied with the sale price, and Meander Valley coming in at third at 56%. Also this week, the AFR reports up to 15% of frozen home loans will tip into arrears, according to S&P Global Ratings. Mostly inner-city investment properties and outer suburban owner-occupier homes could transfer to formal hardship arrangements after lenders' deferral periods expire. The boost, that could add up to 1 or 1.5 percentage points to arrears and bring the overall pre-COVID-19 level of 1% arrears up to 2 and 2.5%. Now, a word from our sponsor. Are you looking for a new home? Something unique? Something beautiful? Then you should look at Eleonora in Tranmere. It is the latest in luxury waterfront living, and it will offer a mix of 3 to 5 bedroom apartments that boast unobstructed views of the Derwent Harbour and Mount Wellington. This exciting new development is the latest Kunama project, and it will hit the market very soon. So visit eleonora.build to get the latest details. Just type eleonora.build into your browser to find out more. Moving on, the economic recovery continues in Tasmania as the latest data from the ABS reveals job vacancies, that is, the number of positions open for new workers, has increased by 13.3% over February. That is the highest monthly growth in the nation and nearly twice the growth seen nationally. It also means that vacancies are now 52.4% higher than they were in February last year before the pandemic. So, jobs are returning, employment is back to pre-pandemic levels, and Tasmania has the lowest unemployment rate of any state, according to the ABS. Finally, construction is underway on the $46 million Tasman Highway Hobart Airport interchange upgrade. The existing roundabout is nearing capacity, and predicted future population growth in Sorell and the southern beaches will continue to increase delays at peak times. What I find interesting is the infrastructure investment and the reported statistics on the rate of increase in the population growth. The state government reports that Sorell is one of the fastest growing areas of Hobart, with a population increase of 1.7% per annum, which is nearly 3 times the Tasmanian rate. So it's great news for property in the area and a good reason to keep an eye out on property in Sorell. That's it for this week. Thank you for tuning in.